Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your device and opening the right settings. Make sure the phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. You don't want interruptions. Next, open settings and go straight to accounts or Google and backup depending on Android version. You're checking which cloud account is active. Once you see the cloud service you want to delete, Google Drive, OneDrive, or another, tap it to reveal sync options and storage details so you know what's linked. Now you remove the account or clear the app data. First, toggle off sync for contacts, photos, Drive to stop background syncing. This prevents immediate re-upload. Then, either tap Remove Account or go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow choose the Cloud app, right arrow Storage, right arrow Clear Data to erase cached and account info. You'll get confirmation prompts. Read them. Make sure you understand whether files remain locally on your device before finish by rebooting and verifying the cloud service is gone from accounts. This ensures settings refresh. Then check files and photos for any leftover local copies and delete them if you want full removal. If sync or sign-in persists, go online and revoke the device's access from the cloud service's web dashboard, or uninstall and reinstall the app and repeat removal steps. If something still fails, clear cache partition or contact support. Still, revoking web access usually fixes persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.